Hey, how's your day?
Stepdads and dads don't always get along, but Dusty and I have this co-dad thing on lockdown.
You make treats for tonight, right?
I'll hit the bakery on the way to the pageant.
Bakery?
No, you don't want me to go to the bakery.
No, I'm
Usually when you repeat what I said and you shake your head up and down, it really means you don't want me to do it.
just thinking,
What?
maybe homemade?
No problem, Braddy. Homemade snickerdoodles coming right up.
Hey! Honkin' Rugan, you better count your teeth! Thank you so much for the cocoa.
Hey guys, we got a big surprise for you.
Oh, is it money? A trampoline? Another pony?
This year, Christmas, both families together.
Yay! Hello? Grandpa Kurt?
Look, your father hasn't met the new evolved Dusty.
That's exactly the stuff he's gonna make fun of us for. You'll see.
Dear God. Wow. Is that him? His dress is so cool. Yet I can't picture him actually going shopping. Dusty.
Here you go. Bring the car around on the curb.
This is Sarah's husband.
Why is he here?
Oh, because my dad's coming too.
Daddy!
Here's my big man!
He hasn't seen his dad in a long time.
It's only been 2 weeks, but it feels like forever.
It does, doesn't it?
This guy's raising your kids half the time?
Tell the pop-up joke!
Hey, kids, I got a good one for you. Two dead hookers wash up on the shore.
No way.
He's gonna ruin Christmas, Brad, I'm telling you.
The only person that can ruin your Christmas is looking back at you from that mirror.
All I see is you, Brad.
Sorry. Right, here. There we go.
Still you, Brad.